Hi, good morning. How are you all? I think you are all okay. Fine. Okay. You have enjoyed lot of holidays. Yeah. Today it's okay. Okay. You are all enjoyed holidays. No. Enough or do you want still a holidays? No. Don't want no. Huh? Okay. And the holidays, what you have done all? No studies, no writing, no reading, nothing. Just only playing. Is it? Playing with mobiles, okay, and with your friends. Do you went to granny house and relations house? Enjoyed lot, I think. Well, which one? Mummies prepared very fine dishes in house. Okay, you all lot of enjoyment. You ate what you want, huh? Like that. Is it? It's okay, all fine. Now holidays are closed. Okay, schools are started, online classes started. Shall we start grammar today? Okay. Is it grammar? So class second and third standard. Okay. Second, third. Here, English grammar, composition, second standard, third standard. Okay. In this book, what is then first sentence? We should make sentence. How do we make sentence? That is important. Without alphabets, we cannot do anything, any sentence, any words. Is it? We can't do. Alphabet are very important. 26 letters are there in alphabet. Okay, not alphabets. Don't say alphabet. Okay. ALPHABET. Alphabet. 26 letters are there. We are telling alphabets. No, not like that. Don't say alphabets. Only alphabet because single letters are there. A to Z, only single letter. A single, B single. Is it like that? Only alphabet. Thus, in the first alphabet orders, A to Z alphabets order is there. Is it? We cannot say A, F, G, I, T, not like that. It should be in order. Okay. A to Z, A after B, after C, like that. Is it? And then when we are making sentence, we can shuffle the letters. What? Is it? And then English alphabets A to Z, small letter and sorry, capital letter and small letter. First capital letter and then small letter. Okay, small letter, capital letter is big letters like this. Okay, A, B, C, D like this up to Z. This is capital letter. Big letter, I think you are telling big letter. Okay. Big letters. And then small letter like this. Okay. You know all of you, I think just introduction. Okay. Small Z. This is small alphabet or small letters. Okay. Like this. And then how many letters are there? 26. Everybody knows that. Is it? In LKG, UKG only you learned all this. Hmm? And then there are 26 letters in alphabet. Small letter, big letter and small letter. Is it? This order of letters are called alphabet order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T up to Z. Orderly. Okay, like this. A, B, C, D, order. Okay. See, this is order A to Z. Okay. And then small letters also like that only. A to Z. Okay. You know everybody, I think. No need to write small letters. Okay. And then now order alphabets like this only I said now. And then A to Z, you know, small letter, capital letter, and then it should be in order. Otherwise, and then after that, when we are shuffling the letters, we can make sentence, words, is it? Like that. And then, now in second standard, only second standard, is it? There, the following group of letters in a alphabetical order. Group of words, letters, page number 5, is there? Some letters, group of words are there, letters are there, is it? Like this, you can do example are given there. See, first one, the following group of letter in a alphabetical order. J, S, W, Z, B, K, O, Y. The following group of letters are not in alphabetical order. Here alphabetical, after J, A, B, C, D, J. Is it? J. After that, yes. Is it? After that, W. Alphabetically, order means after that, see, A, B, C, D is there. If you want just example, G. After that, L. After that, R. Like this. After that, E. Okay. Now, K. P. Like this. Okay. It should be order. Not, we can't come back after first K, P, E. No, this is wrong. Okay. This is correct. Alphabetically order. Is it? This is correct. Yeah, is it? This is order. E after A after P. You should go continuously. We should not come back. That is run. Orderly means that it should be going one by one. Orderly. Okay. And then the following group of letters in alphabetical order. This one also like that only. The correct alphabet should be yes, D. Like that only. A to Z, A, B, C, D. After B, after C, after F, I. It should go front only. Is it? Don't come back as not shuffled backside. Okay. Now like that. And then arrange the following group of letters alphabetical. We are shuffling the letters. Is it? You should do alphabetical orders. Okay. Like that. See, one I will give you later. Like this. M, R, C. Arrange the following alphabetical letters. And then, do you know first arrange the following letters M, R, C, L. Okay, M, R. Okay, here second standard page number 6 is there. See, some letters are given there. Just okay, M, R, C, I like this. C, I. Is it? And this one you should write orderly. Okay. Arrange the following groups of letter alphabetical order. Which letter comes first? Okay. A, B, C. Is it? C first. And then C, D, E, F, G, H, I after that. Okay. I. J, A, L, M, N. Next. Like that. M. And then finally R. Is it? Like this. Okay. Don't confusion. Just I will write. Okay. Yes. See, here this is, we should write orderly. M-R-C-I. Which is the first letter? It comes in alphabetical order. Okay, comes first C only. A, B, C. Is it? C. This is first. Okay, and then next, which one? I. It comes, I think. Is it? D, E, F, G, H, I. Second. Okay, and then next, which one? C, I. Okay, and then which letter? R. Is it? 3. And then last, sorry. Wait. It should M next. Okay, not R. M. Is it? This is 3. 1, 2, 3. And then finally R. Like this. Is it? Orderly. First letter C in orderly. Alphabetical in alphabet. Orderly. C comes first. And then I. And then M. And then R. Like this only. Then we make another one. Is it? Big one I will give you. Okay. W. Q. P. J. F. V. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಯು ಸೇ ಓಕೆ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಇದೆ ಝೆಡ್ವರೆಗೂ ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿ ಓಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ದ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಎಫ್ ಜಿ ಎಚ್ ಐ ಜೆ ಕೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. Is it? B first. Okay. And then B, C, D, E, F. Next F. Okay. F. And then next. F, G, H, I, J. J is there. Okay. J. Okay. And then J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Is it? P. Then Q. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. W is there. Just use it. Okay. Then W, Q, P, J, F, B. B first. Okay. And then F. Is it? Second. J, next P, is it? P, and then Q, here only, and then last W. Don't write the numbers, just ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿ 1 2 3 4 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎ ಟು ಝೆಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಬರೀ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವೇನು ಬರೀ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ದಟ್, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಿ, ಎಫ್, ಜೆ, ಪಿ, ಕ್ಯೂ, ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, P, and then F, okay, and then J, and then P, Q, W. ಹೀಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವ ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್. ಹೀಗೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಶಫಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಹೀಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇನ್ನು ಸುಮಾರು ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇನ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಮನೇಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ. Is it? Got it? Are you understood? Okay. And then next, both the third and fourth, second and third same I think. You orderly, alphabetical, and how to write letters, important handwriting. Okay, in 4 lines you can practice the alphabet. Like that. And then next, go to what? ox, cow, buffalo, dog, lion. Arrange the following words as shown in the example. Ox, cow, capital letter to small letter. Okay, like that. There, capital letter, small letter, like this. Okay, and then next, dog. Okay, small letter, like this. And then next, you know, is it alphabet 26 letters, big letter, capital letters in grammar. Then next, how to write order alphabets and how to identify the next letter, which comes first, which letter comes after, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎ ಟು ಝೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಯಾವುದು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಎ ಟು ಝೆಡ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ನೀವು ಆ ಥರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ. And then next now, ovals and consonants. You know, is it ovals? Which one? Already you learned, I think, in first standard UKG. In UKG, first standard, already you learn. Is it? Alphabets, big letter, small letter, how to shuffle the letters, how to write in order. 26 letters are there. Which comes first? Which come after. ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಯಾವುದು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನೀವು ಆಗಲೇ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ UKG ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ಡ್. ಶಫಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ವಾ, ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ovals and consonant. Let me see now only ovals. Ovals, is it? How many ovals are there? Okay, only 5 letter. Which one? Which are there? A, E, I, O, U. Is it? Small letter. A, E, I, O, U. These are ovals. Then you can pronounce easily 5 letters. Alphabet are known ovals. A, E, I, O, U. ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಏನಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತೊಗೊಳೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಫ್ಲೋಲಿ, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅದೇ ನೋಡಿ, ಬಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ರೆತ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಿ, ಸಿ, ಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ವ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಅದು ಏನು ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎ, ಇ, ಐ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯು ಸೇ ovals, you can feel that. is it? A, E, I, O, U ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಬ್ರೀತ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದೇನು ಬೇಡ. ಬಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಾವು ಬಿ, ಸಿ, ಎಫ್, ಜಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಥರ. ಅದು ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಬ್ರೀತ್ ನಾವು. ಆದರೆ ಓವಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ say easy. Only 5 letters are there. How many letters? 5 letters. Is it? Ovals. A, E, I, O, U. And then remaining all consonants. Okay. ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಈಗ 5 ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಓವಲ್ಸ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಎ ಟು ಝೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌದಾ ಎ ಟು ಝೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 letters ovals. Remaining all. How many letters remaining? I think 21. Is it? 5 letters. That taken. Ovals. These are 5 letters. Ovals 5 letters ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ನ 26 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 21. ಯಾವುದು? A ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ. A ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ B. Is it? C. D. E ಇದೆ F G H I ಇದೆ ಬೇಡದು J I J K L M N O ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸೊ O ಬರೆಯಷ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ N O already is there. P Q R S T U is there. That is ovals. Okay. U is there. No need to write. Then V W X Y Z. ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ವಾ 5 letters ovals. ಇದು ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಈಸಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಎ ಇ ಐ ಓ ಯು ಬಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವರನ ಬ್ರೀತ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಎಫ್ ಜಿ ಹೆಚ್ ಜೆ ಕೆ ಎಮ್ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗಲ್ವಾ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಕೆ ದೆನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ಓವಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಓವಲ್ಸ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 5 ಇನ್ ಓವಲ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ 5 ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಓವಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ 5 ದಿಯರ್ 21 ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 2 3 4 5 letters in ovals is it and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 correct is it okay 5 letters ovals consonant 21 is it this much enough I think today you first alphabets and then small big letter capital letters I said no I wrote on that board already big letters capital letters how to write in order don't say alphabets again I am telling only you have to say alphabet okay yes don't add s this is wrong yes ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು alphabet 26 letter only alphabet yes ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು alphabets ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಓಕೆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ now this much enough I think today you just practice it okay take the book and then second standard and third standard also just you practice capital letter small letter and shuffle the letters how to write the order A to Z is it and then which one is how many letters in ovals how many letters in consonants and then just say don't say alphabets only alphabet okay alphabet don't say yes it is wrong this much you have to practice and then now just you write 2 times okay I'll give you homework both just you big letter correct big letter small letter okay small alphabet big alphabet letters I think both are same. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Then big letter, then this one 2 times, this one also 2 times. Okay, and then I say no, page number on right, orderly. Practice that capital letter, small letter, and then vowels and consonants you write. Okay, shuffle. Write this one, page number 6, and I think wait, second standard, page number 5, second standard. Okay, page number 5. Okay, you just write and practice it. Page number 5, just write and practice. And then third standard. Third standard, just page number 2 and 3. Okay. This one also we can practice it and read and write. Okay, just write and practice. Read and write. That's better. Read first and then write. Okay. This is your homework. Okay. Second standard and third standard both. Okay, page number I wrote. Take the textbook and then practice it. Okay, I think everybody got my point. Okay, understood? What is the alphabets? Alphabets not. See, I am telling alphabets. Is it wrong? Yes, alphabet. Practice the alphabet, small letter, capital letter, and do read that. What I had given page number. Sit and practice. Right? Take your parents' help. Otherwise, do yourself. Nothing is there. Only alphabets. Practice it. Okay, you got my point. Okay, today's session is much, I think, enough. Tomorrow we will continue next class. Okay, bye, take care.